my God, the hotel is so nice.
It's so beautiful.
Do you like the hotel?
It's like, I love it.
Oh my God! Alright, people, you can see we love this hotel and we have been here. So, hey, yeah. So. For those of you who always think maybe anytime you visit hotel is for something negative, we want to divert your attention to something positive. Begin to think positively so that your life will be positivity and apparendum. Hello, Imo. Hey, yeah, what's here now? Mother got that. You will suffer, not money. Suffer the money, then suffer. Buy food, suffer chopper. You will also suffer. Social animal. Eh? What's in there for this life if we not be suffering? Nothing. People say, I want to enjoy. Let me enjoy. Where enjoyment? To travel from your house to the place you want to do the enjoyment is also a suffering. Eh? Take my hand. If your stomach is too big, you have to work on your leg. You have to work on your waist. You have to work, reduce. Go and work out. Look, when we want to go to my work or death. You don't know lazy.
Chifimo. You may know one name.
I can make one.
Yaki Nebagawa.
But Bonya Bar.
You want Ghana Bobagama.
I don't know. I don't like it to talk too much. Come to take up the engine care wine. I'm a engine car wine. I'm a. You don't want to mark a
Chifimo, Yami Bagabana, Ghana, who need. Ogama Saji of more.
Cabulamo.
I
saw him getting home. Nagada money.
Chifimo, we call it fitness. In the young pool.
A little bagabago, bagam nearly a Mecca sent them gone. You see Mecca Shamunego. When I go to the Tagana holiday ago, you took us some nearly him and aha. Some more saw her, saw her, and then women about to. How much you win them all? Abudo memo. Where ye? Sharp, I want to move. Latrina Bilanam. Hagamanish. Hagamania. Mamma Honey do too. Tamu Bele Mamma. The Matis in all Lao. Elizabeth in the mo. One I saw one. A papa will never on there. A jingle was a man. Hey, Gabilam Nampubi. Whoa. I put a tacola. Whoa.